Welcome to our roundup of the best backpacking tents you can get right now. Whether you're an experienced hiker, weekend adventurer, or just getting into camping, the right tent makes all the difference. We've carefully selected high-quality backpacking tents that combine lightweight construction, durability, weather protection, and easy setup. In this video, we'll break down each model's performance, design, and comfort to help you find the perfect shelter for your next outdoor journey. Don't forget to check the description below for the latest deals and prices. Let's get started and find the tent that will make your adventures unforgettable. The first on the list is the Zenosmalus Launch-On 1 tent. This tent is a favorite among ultralight backpackers who want durability without unnecessary weight. Weighing just about 2 pounds, it's easy to carry on long hikes, yet tough enough to handle changing weather conditions. Built from 15D silicone-coated nylon with fully taped seams, it offers impressive waterproof performance while maintaining excellent ventilation. The dual-layer design minimizes condensation, keeping the interior dry and comfortable even on humid nights. Setting up the Launch-On one is also remarkably easy. Its trekking pole-supported structure allows quick pitching in under 5 minutes. Despite being a one-person tent, it provides generous interior space, enough for a sleeping pad and gear, with extra storage in the vestibule. Its wind-resistant frame and low-profile design provide outstanding stability during gusty nights in the wilderness. Overall, the Launch-On one is ideal for solo backpackers who prioritize minimal weight, quick setup, and dependable all-season protection. Next up is the Nature Hike Mongar 2 tent, designed for those who want a blend of strength, comfort, and versatility. With its freestanding double-layer structure, the Mongar 2 provides exceptional stability and flexibility for various terrains. The tent uses high-quality 20D nylon with a PU 4000 waterproof coating, ensuring excellent protection from rain and wind. Aluminum alloy poles and quick-clip connectors make assembly fast and secure, even in challenging conditions. Inside, you get a roomy layout suitable for 2 people, with enough headroom to sit comfortably. Ventilation is handled superbly thanks to large mesh panels that reduce condensation while maintaining airflow, making it ideal for both warm and cool climates. There are also dual doors and vestibules, which means no crawling over your tent partner and extra space for backpacks or boots. Overall, the Mongar 2 strikes the right balance between lightweight design and reliable performance in the great outdoors. Next, we have the Tomshoe Ultralight tent, available in 1- or 2-person options. It's built for campers who want simplicity and value without compromising on essential features. Made from tough 210T polyester with a PU 3000 waterproof coating, it's designed to withstand moderate rain and wind while remaining breathable inside. One of its standout features is the quick setup system, which allows even beginners to pitch it within minutes. Its compact and lightweight structure makes it easy to carry on backpacking, cycling, or motorbike trips. Despite its smaller footprint, the interior space is thoughtfully designed for comfort and convenience, including mesh windows for airflow and a durable floor to keep moisture out. Overall, the Tomshoe Ultralight tent is a practical choice for budget-conscious adventurers who need a compact, lightweight, and easy-to-use shelter for short trips and solo expeditions. Next up is the Nature Hike Cloud Up tent, one of the most popular backpacking tents for its impressive balance of comfort, weatherproofing, and versatility. Available in 1-, 2-, or 3-person models, it caters to every type of adventurer. Its ultralight 20D nylon construction and 7001 aluminum poles ensure a perfect mix of durability and low weight, making it ideal for extended backpacking trips. The tent features a double-layer waterproof design rated up to PU 4000 keeping you dry even during heavy downpours. Setup is simple with its freestanding pole system, and the tent packs down into a compact, easily portable size. Inside, the Cloud Up offers excellent livability, with good headroom, mesh ventilation panels, and a front vestibule for gear storage. It's also designed to handle multiple seasons, providing enough warmth in cool weather while staying breathable during summer nights. Overall, the Cloud Up stands out for its durability, ease of use, and comfort, making it a solid investment for serious backpackers and weekend travelers alike. The last one on our list is the Tomshoe 3- to 4-person tent, designed for families or groups who want spacious comfort during outdoor adventures. This tent provides a roomy interior that easily fits up to 4 people with sleeping pads and gear. Built from 190T polyester with a PU 2000 waterproof coating, it offers reliable rain and wind protection while maintaining good breathability. The structure features dual-layer ventilation, keeping airflow steady and reducing condensation buildup inside. One of the most appreciated features is its instant setup mechanism, allowing users to pitch or pack the tent in just minutes. The sturdy fiberglass poles and windproof ropes ensure stability, even in rough weather conditions. Overall, the Tomshoe 3- to 4-person tent is perfect for small groups or families seeking an easy-to-pitch, weather-resistant, and roomy shelter for outdoor fun. So, that wraps up our list of the best backpacking tents. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest deals. Thanks for watching, and happy camping!